to my YouTube channel. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making goat meat Waakye Jollof. It's a very delicious and nutritious dish that we are going to make. Since this channel is about eating healthy, we always try to do it in the healthiest way. That's why we are making this particular dish. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for my subscribers, thank you for your love and support. I love you too much. Let's get into the cooking. Thank you. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our goat meat, some tomatoes, for spice and minced spice, ginger, onions, garlic and aniseed minced spice. But you can also use any spice of your choice. These are the stock cubes and bay leaves, some cooking oil, curry powder. We need some corned beef because we really want it to be rich. And this is our black-eyed beans. The beans were soaked and they were parboiled. It's not really cooked, but it's parboiled. The rice, some tomato puree, and some onions and garlic and peppers. Blend some onions and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Stock cubes. I don't want to add water now because I want the spices to really get into the goat meat. I want to feel the salt and the spices on the goat meat, so I want it to really cook because the goat meat already has water on it. So we are going to leave it like this, and then later we'll add the water to it. We add our corned beef because we really want the corned beef to fry. We don't want the freshness in it. Our goat meat is doing better. It's doing really good. It's very nice here. You can feel the aponche. Aponche number here, Juma or happy pepe. Wow, good. Okra baby. Yamfa and chili and glucisia because the goat stock has salt and spices in it already. So we are going to wait until we add our goat stock before we add some salt. Otherwise, it will be too salty. So this is the stock from our goat's meat. We are going to add it to our stew for our jollof. To get a very tasty jollof, you always need your stock. Yeah. Our goat's meat is ready. And she said the sipeno, look how beautiful it is. She said the siachi. Obijina house on your building. Look, wow, just the way we want it. Perfect. Deep fry your goat meat. It comes out so beautiful. Look. I don't want to fry it to be so hard. No, I don't like it that way. It's this is okay. It's just perfect, just the way I want it. But if you want it to be more crunchy, you can go ahead and do it just the way you also want it. Cooking is a way of art. It's the way you want, you just do it just the way you like it. We want our goat meat to absorb some of the stew. So we are going to put our goat meat in the stew for 5 minutes. Then we'll just take it out. Then we'll do our rice in it because we want some moisture from the stew to go on the goat meat. I like it like that. When it's like that, you really feel it and you can taste better. Minutes and then we'll take this meat out. We still haven't added any salt because everything, the stock from the meat and all the stock keeping, everything has salt in it. So after removing the meat, then I will taste salt and I'll add more salt to it. I'm going to taste salt, then we'll add some water. Yeah. If you're going to use it as a normal stew, then it's okay. But since we are going to cook the beans in the rice like jollof, Waakye Jollof, we need to add a little bit of salt to it. I'm going to add this much of salt. Our bay leaf has finished its job, so we have to remove it from the stew. It's really finished its job. It's no more used again. It's always important to remove it because when you add the rice and they're still in it, sometimes they mash in it and you don't want it that way. So always remember to remove your bay leaves before you add your rice. Once rice is washed already, just go ahead and add it to it. We want it to simmer a little bit before we add our beans. Just go ahead and add the beans. Have to taste salt. Yeah, it's okay. Just cover it up and then do it to a medium-low heat. Look, it's really cooked on a medium heat. And look, said the Asia beige jana. The Diani bed, papa. Look. Are you ready? It's ready. Look how beautiful it is. Asian so anshi. Sunset. We actually cook it on a medium heat. It's really beautiful and it's doing very, very well. So we need to wait a bit and then we come and serve it. Yes. Our Waakye Jollof rice with goat meat is ready. Look how beautiful and gorgeous it is. Wow! All are invited, but the salad with it is optional. You can choose to have salad with it or without it. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All are invited. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!